This video is about solving a linear equation with several occurrences of the variable, and we're also going to have variables on both sides of the equation and fractional coefficients. Let's solve the following equation. And so we're solving for the letter y. We want to know what value of y that should occur that will allow the original equation to be true. The first thing you want to notice is that there are denominators here. There's a denominator of 1, 5, 3, and another denominator of 5. So we need the lowest common multiple of 1, 5, and 3. By inspection, we could see that is going to be what? Is going to be 15. We're going to take this 15 and balance both sides of the equation. I have a 15 over here as well. And make sure when you're solving equations, you want to do your best to line up the equal sign, because that equal sign is showing that you have an equation. So let's line up the equal sign right below. So I keep that equal sign in the same spot. Now let's balance things. What's 15 times 7? That is going to be 105. Okay, 105. So we're applying the distributive property. Now when you do 15 times negative 3/5, I mean, if you need to, use a little bit of scratch paper. And remember, you're just reducing factors here. So we could reduce this to be what? 3 times negative 3. So that is negative 9, or subtract 9. Okay. How about this? In a similar fashion, we're going to do 15 over 3, which is 5. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10 times y. All right. And then we're going to distribute that 15 again. 15 distributed to negative 1/5, we're going to get simply subtract 3. So I'll give you a recap of what just took place. You're applying the distributive property to the left expression, and then we're going to apply the distributive property to the right expression of the equal sign. Okay. All right, now we have an equivalent equation, and now we're just going to collect our y's. We're going to balance things. We're going to add 10y here, add 10y here. And why don't we make this a little bit quicker? Why don't we go ahead and add 9 here and add 9 here? And once again, remember, in your next writing, line up your equal sign. So you have 115y is now equal to 6. And now we're going to divide the entire sides by 115. Let's write it over here. And we see if this reduces. Well, notice 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7. So we know that 115 is not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 2? No, it's not. It's an odd number. So this is actually reduced. We're actually done.